everybody, back again, and today we're making 10 railroad spike knives. So let's start pounding out the blades, and then after that we'll talk handles. Now that we've got all 10 of those blades forged, what we're going to do is we're going to do a regular twist on some, we're going to do a reverse twist on a few, and we're also going to do some that have angle grinder cuts to kind of make the twists look more intricate and kind of crazier. So I'm going to get these all set up for that. I'll show you a little footage of some of the grinding, but it's going to take a minute to get these all set up. I'm also going to do the rough grinding while I'm here to get the blade profiles trued up to the way I want them to look. So that way, once I put them back in the forge and twist them, all I have to do after that is make sure everything stayed straight, heat them up, quench them. So now we have all of the rough grinding done on all the knives. I've also cut some slots in a few of them. Obviously this is going to be a little karambit, you know, just a little Talon knife. But yeah, I'm gonna get these in the forge, get the handles twisted, and then after that we'll heat treat them. I'm probably gonna do all the heat treating off camera except for a couple, because it's water quench, so it's not gonna be flashy with the fire or anything. And then just putting edges on them after they've been hardened, because railroad spikes are soft enough steel where you water quench them, and they don't get hard enough to where they become brittle. They just kind of get enough of hardness to hold an edge. They're not the greatest of all-around knife steel, but they do make nice little knives, little novelties. So I'm gonna get these in the forge and we'll get started. So the twists are done, and so is the forging and hardening. Now I'm just gonna sharpen up that edge bevel that I knocked on there before I did all that. And once it's sharpened and I hit it with a wire brush, I'll be back at you, and that'll be the end of the video. So it is now much later. I had dinner because it's been 8 hours since I started filming, and I was getting hungry and thirsty. I forged all of these in a batch, all 10 of these, and they will be going up on my store. They're gonna be my budget end knives, so they're not gonna be the 100, 125 I usually charge. They're gonna be around the $50 range since they are railroad spike knives, and they're not quite as hard and durable as the other knives I offer, which are more like 1095 or 1084 coming from coil spring and leaf spring. However, check out all the knives, roll footage. So those are all 10 blades, all finished up. And once I get all the measurements and all that good stuff done, I'll be putting them up on my Etsy store. Go ahead and hit like for me if you liked the video or if you like these knives. And do me a favor and let me know which of these 10 was your favorite in the comments below. I numbered them 1 through 10 in the footage of all the different knives when I did the individual ones. Go ahead and comment just the number of what you liked the most, or go ahead and tell me why you like that one the most. But aside from that, God bless, love you guys, stay safe, all that good jazz. God bless, subscribe, yada yada. Bye.